Hi, my name is Yahayra Velasquez, and you're watching Vit Plant Socials. Hi, my name is Yahayra Velasquez. I am from Houston, Texas, and I go to Texas A&M University, and I am here working as a nuclear engineering intern for Bechtel, supporting the NS and E department. So this is actually my first internship. Funny enough, Bechtel employees from the B Familia BRG recruited me at the SHIP 2023 National Convention in Utah. So my hot take is that I actually enjoy pineapple on pizza, and the only reason why I tried it in the first place is because of all the backlash it was getting. Being half Salvadorian, obviously I have to say that my favorite food are pupusas. So after work, I am actually taking classes, so I have no time to take a break afterwards. But on weekends, I do like to hang out with the interns and explore the beautiful state of Washington.